In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Microsoft Office without needing any product key or paid subscription. We won't use any crack or third-party installer. Everything will be done using Microsoft's official tools. Just follow each step carefully, and by the end, you will have Office fully installed on your PC. Before we begin, if you already have a Microsoft Office installed, maybe a trial or expired version, it's best to remove it first. Just go to the Control Panel. Click on Uninstall a Program. From here, remove anything related to Microsoft Office. Once done, we'll begin the setup. Now, what we need to do is to create a dedicated folder on your desktop for the installation files. Name the folder Office or anything simple. This will help keep everything organized throughout the process. Next, open your browser and search for the Office deployment tool. Click on the first link to go to the official Microsoft page. This is the official Microsoft Office customization tool. We'll use it to create a custom Office installer. Download the Office deployment tool to your default downloads folder. Once downloaded, click Show in Folder. Now right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click the checkbox and select Continue. We will install it into the Office folder that we created on the desktop. These two files will be created in this folder. Now let's open the Office Customization tool to customize your installation. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Office Customization tool. Click on the first link of the official Microsoft website. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll need to do is to select the architecture of your Office installation. Select the 64-bit architecture. Then, under Office Suites, choose Office Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. This version gives you access to the full Office suite without needing an online Microsoft account or subscription. If 2025 or a newer version of Microsoft Office is available, you can also select that instead. After this, you'll be prompted to select the version of the Office. Choose the version that suits your needs, whether it's the latest or a specific version. Now, you need to select which Office apps you want. I only need Word and Excel, so I'll uncheck the rest. You can also choose to install Publisher, Outlook, Access, whatever you need. The next step is selecting your preferred language for Office in the Office Customization tool. You can choose from a list of supported languages. Select the language you want for your Office installation, making sure it matches your needs. After selecting your product, apps, and language, click on Export. Choose Office Open.xml format. Accept the license agreement and click Export. It will download the Configuration.xml file. This XML file contains all the details about your Office setup, like which version, which apps, and which language you selected. We'll use this file in the next step to install Office on your PC. Copy this XML file and paste it into the Office folder that we created earlier on the desktop. This will keep everything organized, ensuring that all necessary files are in one place for installation. Next, we need to move the Office folder into your C drive. Now open the Office folder. We have to just copy this folder path. Open the command prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type CD, then paste the folder path we just copied earlier and press Enter. Now that we are in the right directory, it's time to start the installation in command prompt. Type the following command and press Enter. This will tell the Office deployment tool to start the installation using the configuration file we just created. Once you run the command, the Office deployment tool will start installing Microsoft Office on your PC. You may see this progress bar. Just keep the command prompt window open and let it finish. Depending on your internet speed and the number of apps you have selected, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, you can close the command prompt window. Now it's time to verify that everything was installed correctly. Open Microsoft Word or any other Office app you selected during setup to check if it opens without issues. After opening the app, go to Account. You may see a message saying Activation Required. This is because the Office version we installed is the Volume License Edition. It allows you to install Office without entering a product key during installation. It also bypasses the need to sign in or use a Microsoft 365 subscription during installation. This method is useful for testing or temporary use. But if you need long-term access with full features and updates, you'll still require a proper activation through a valid license key or KMS server later on. So guys, that's how you install Microsoft Office in 2026 without using a crack or any unofficial tool. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.